Brush AI dating simulator. We're going to look at this app, how you can use it, how to install it, and what is in this app that people are finding actually cool. It has more than 1 million downloads. The app looks like this. At the start, you have to kind of select the genre that you are interested in. It's important to select the type of relationship that you are looking for. Are you looking for casual, friendly, friends with benefits, situationship, just for fun and all that stuff? So I think let me go for casual. Okay. These are some of the things that you have to be, that you have to set up during actually installation of the app. Preferred age for a potential partner. You kind of actually, have to, all these people actually have a different personality. So it's important to kind of select the right personality and the right age when you're setting it up. So let me just go with 25 to, I think you can actually select several, right? And then who steals your attention more? Beauty queen, girl next door. Why the AI is asking all this is they want to know kind of the personality that you are kind of into. Housewife, shy cutie, fantasy fairly, successful lady, mysterious. I think let me go with this. I think you can select more, something like that. Beauty queen, I think let me leave it now. So let me go with this. Okay, then you kind of continue. What are your personality traits? So you have to kind of select who you are. Are you kind of passionate, honest, funny? Something like that. Maybe I think I'm intelligent. Okay, you can select the different options. Shy, I don't think. Let me say, okay, I'm intelligent, passionate, okay, caring. Okay, so let me just kind of continue. What happens stays in the chat. Okay, your privacy is protected. Have you experienced dating? I think let me just say beginner. And how far are you with your life? Nito. Okay, let me just leave it. Can your crush send you photos? Yes, of course. Can your crush send you voice messages? Yes, of course. Have you always wanted to try out? Okay. I think let me just just do okay, love at first sight. I think you can actually select several ones, different options. Okay. So after this, they will kind of get all that personality that you have given the AI to kind of try to come up with the people you can connect with. Now, you have to know that these are not actually real people. These are more of like AI. These are more of AI. It's a simulator. So simulator means actually the people are not real. Okay, these days are people are kind of into unreal stuff. Okay, so the app is going to tell me we have found 8,869 perfect AI matches based on your selections. Then I kind of do continue. You have to kind of log in with your Gmail. Let me try to log into my Gmail. Okay. So after entering, maybe logging with your Gmail, you will be actually, you will land on this page where you have to actually choose what you have to pay. So this app, Brush, doesn't have a trial. Unfortunately, you may actually have to pay maybe 1.59 per week or something. But for some of you who are wondering what's the experience if you pay, is it worthy? I read through the reviews and actually they're interesting. And almost actually I can say 95% of the people are happy with the app. Okay. Someone says like, okay, let me see. The responses are longer and don't get cut like other similar apps. If I had to critique it, I would like to see the pictures of depicting special scenes that are not due to intimacy with the character or something. Okay, the chatting is not that so bad. Sometimes it can be repetitive, almost scripted. and the graphics are very good. But the bad thing is I can't generate new pictures and vids. It gives you random vids and photos. It's all scripted, not real time. But actually, you have to know that this is AI. It's not really real stuff. Okay. They replied and say, right now, not all characters can generate new content yet. We are working on a major update to improve this. Okay. I like the app, but the few generated people I've talked to were not my style. So this is why actually I talked to you guys that if you're installing this app, make sure you take your time to kind of try your best to choose the right age range and personality. Give the character the right personality. Okay. And I try to create on and choose a picture from the general options. I created a backstory. I enjoy talking to them. But when I request a picture, they say they are still working on it next time. But the next time never comes. This is frustrating, and especially just you pay 19 for one picture or something like that. Okay. So generally they may be complex within the app, but by generally I think this is actually a cool app. Generally, good language model feels like chatting with a real person. Okay, suddenly voice and video are not available to try without paying. So yep, some of this pay, all of this stuff you have to really pay for them. Okay. So if you're kind of a person who is into you're kind of single and you really have some time, you want to really check out, AI characters who can really chat with you in your free time instead of real people, you can try out Brush. Okay. The app is actually growing at a very fast rate. As per the review now, it has more than 1 million downloads. Okay. Let me know what you think about Brush, and I will see you in the next video. If you are interested in random app reviews like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Bye-bye.